Oh, I think what I'll do today is go chasing waterfalls. Vaguely remember seeing a street sign saying there's a waterfall somewhere. So I'll try and remember where I saw it. And see whether it's worth actually looking at. I think this might be the place. Good sign that there's a shotgun hole in the sign for it. One of the police signs has been broken in half. Danger area, surprisingly enough, because there's a waterfall on a river. Warnings about crime rates. Yeah, no worries. Leave my bike here. It's always good on these tracks when they put up notices for you to learn what you're going to be seeing and all that sort of stuff. But why would they put it really bloomin' high up in a tree? It's too high to actually read. Well, sort of. Must be tall people living around here. Well, look what I found. Waterfall. Not particularly attractive one, because you may not be able to see it, but it's just going over a pipe. However, if that's not good enough for you, there you go, there's the proper waterfall. Unfortunately, you can't actually get around to the other side by the look of it, or around to the top. However, I was after a waterfall, I found a waterfall. Mission successful. I'm just having a little bit more of a explore. There's another track that heads off in the other direction. And it doesn't look like many people really come here. There's nice little sights on the way, no big waterfalls. Now let's keep going and see whether there's anything more interesting. Well, that was some waterfalls for you. Not overly impressive. I don't think I'd cancel any holidays to Niagara Falls to go and see those ones, but my objective was to see waterfalls. I saw waterfalls. I very nearly lost my drone in the process. Might put that up as a bit of a outtake at the end, when the drone got a little bit too close to the sort of waterfall and got sucked into the vortex, the air currents from all the downward water. I'm not exactly experienced at controlling a drone anyway, and thought I was going to kiss it goodbye at that moment. Anyway, yeah, I'll put that up now. Have a bit of a chuckle at my ineptitude.